So we have Percy. This is Trackmaster Revolutions, and I have some motors here that I want to swap. Now this is the speed, normal speed of Percy, but these ones, they should double the speed, and we are going to proceed and swap those motors. I think the Trackmaster Revolutions are, I think, 8,000 RPM, I think. I remember the Trackmaster 1, they do have like a 12 to 13,000 RPM. The ones I'm about to swap, they're supposed to be 24,000 RPM. So, first things first, I need to remove the worm gear or cog like this and swap it to this one. Okay, I think it's there. If not, I'll do a little adjustment. Let me see, I need to a little bit more. It's supposed to, yeah, supposed to engage right there. Now, if you are in this situation, that goes first, and then you need to, yeah, that should work like this. Now, don't forget coupler, and it should fit right on. Now, before I proceed, I'm going to do a quick test to make sure. Oh yeah, big difference. It did not took me, let me see, how long are we? 2 minutes 12 seconds. It's an easy upgrade. Trying to, now this surface is kind of slippery, since the Revolutions, these are not rubber. Too fast. Yep, I'm gonna swap another models. Yeah, very fast. Oh, look at that. Now on tracks, it should be faster. Yeah, check the link in the description of my eBay store. It should say 24 RPM.